In today's video, we're taking a closer look at Basecamp, one of the most popular project management tools out there. If you've been looking for a way to streamline communication, tasks, and collaboration within your team, Basecamp might be a good option. Let's start by logging into the platform. When you first enter, you're greeted with a simple dashboard that gives you access to everything you need: projects, to-do lists, calendar, and team chat. One of the standout features of Basecamp is its simplicity. The interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy to get started without feeling overwhelmed. Unlike some other tools that offer complex options, Basecamp focuses on providing all the essentials without the clutter. The project section is where you'll spend most of your time. Each project you create includes its own to-do lists, file storage, calendar, and message board, all in one place. Another cool feature is the Campfire chat, which allows your team to communicate in real time. It's a great way to keep everyone on the same page without relying on external communication tools like Slack. You can also integrate with other apps, like Google Drive and Zapier, to make your workflow even more efficient. One thing I really appreciate is Basecamp's approach to notifications. Instead of bombarding you with endless updates, it sends you daily summaries, so you're only notified of the most important things. This is a huge time saver and helps prevent notification overload. The file storage system is also well organized, and you can easily drag and drop files into your projects. Sharing documents and keeping everything in one place makes collaboration much easier. Now, let's talk about pricing. Basecamp uses a flat pricing model, which means you pay 1 fee per month for unlimited users. While some people may find this to be a bit expensive, especially for smaller teams, it's worth noting that you get all features included without having to worry about add-ons or hidden costs. However, Basecamp isn't without its downsides. It's a little too simple for teams that need highly customizable features or a more advanced project management solution. Additionally, the lack of advanced reporting tools may be a deal breaker for larger organizations that require more in-depth data analysis. But for small to medium-sized teams, it can be a very solid choice. Many useful links can be found in the description below. These resources could help you explore further options or provide insights into how to get the most out of your project management tools, so be sure to check them out. Overall, Basecamp is a great option for teams looking for a simple, straightforward platform to manage tasks and communication. It's not as feature-rich as some of its competitors, but it does what it sets out to do very well. If you value simplicity and want something that's easy to use, Basecamp could be a great fit for you. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tech tips.